Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Buy Me a Coffee Creator account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process successfully. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Buy Me a Coffee Creator website. Log in using the email address and password associated with your account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or account settings, typically located in the top right corner. Look for options labeled Account Settings, Profile, or Verification. Step 3. Find the verification section within your account settings. Click on Verify Account or Start Verification to begin the process. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Buy Me a Coffee Creator. Open the email and click on the verification link provided to confirm your email address. Step 5. Return to the Buy Me a Coffee Creator website and complete any additional verification steps required, such as phone number verification or two-factor authentication setup. Step 6. If identity verification is needed, prepare a government-issued photo ID. Upload a clear image ensuring all details are visible and the document is valid. Step 7. Follow all on-screen prompts to provide any additional information requested by Buy Me a Coffee Creator. This may include personal details, profile information, or security questions. Step 8. Wait for the verification process to complete. Check your account dashboard to confirm your verification status shows as verified or active, and verify that all features are now accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.